In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate 3D objects into your background photos using Adobe Dimension. This process will transform your digital workspace and improve the quality of your design projects by making everything look more realistic and professional. Let's jump right in and start crafting your scene like a pro. First, you'll want to set up your scene in Dimension and import your 3D object or objects. This is the foundation of your composition. Imagine that you're creating a stage, and your 3D models are the actors preparing to perform. Once you've got your objects in place, it's time to start thinking about the backdrop they'll inhabit. Adding your background photo is simple. You can easily drag it into an empty area of the canvas, or you can set it as the background within the environment panel. Your canvas should now transform into a vibrant scene ready to house your objects. Now, direct your attention to the scene panel and select Environment. This is where the magic begins. In the Actions or Properties panel, look for an option labeled Match Image. Click on it. This will open up a dialog box filled with options that will tailor the canvas to your background image, making your 3D composition look as believable as possible. Within the Match Image dialog, you'll find options such as Resize Canvas. This option is crucial because it adjusts the canvas size and aspect ratio to perfectly match your photo. Not only does this maintain the integrity of your background, but it also ensures everything syncs up smoothly. Then, there's Create Lighting. This feature auto-generates environment lights and directional lights based on your background type, whether it's an outdoor scene, an indoor setup, or something more abstract. Dimensions in your model will light up as if they're immersed in the photo's natural lighting. Next, there's Match Camera Perspective. This option is particularly powerful when it comes to making your 3D models look truly integrated into your scene. When enough perspective cues are detected, this feature aligns the 3D camera to the perspective of the photo, making sure your object doesn't just float in space, but is grounded in reality. Once you've chosen the necessary options such as resizing, lighting, and camera alignment, click OK to apply these adjustments. With the automated match in place, it's time to fine-tune. Use camera tools like Orbit, Pan, and Dolly, along with the Horizon tool. These are your allies in adjusting perspectives. Make sure your 3D object fits perfectly into the photo, both in terms of position and scale. Remember, the goal is to make it look convincingly real. As a final touch, review and tweak the lighting. In the Scene panel, you have the ability to modify the rotation, intensity, and color of the generated lights. These adjustments ensure that your objects harmonize with the photo's lighting, adding an extra layer of authenticity. And there you have it, a beautifully rendered scene where digital creations meet real-world imagery. Not only have you learned to navigate and use Dimension's tools effectively, but you've also taken a step towards mastering the art of 3D composition.